Would you like to learn how to create professional looking videos from scratch, become confident in front of the camera, and learn from working professionals? Well, congratulations, because video is an effective media channel that you can sell, you can educate, you can motivate, you can help to sell your products or services, and you can spread your ideas to the world. Hi, my name is Paul. I'm a teacher, I'm a videographer, director, and the founder of Intro to Outro Video Productions here in Sydney. With my experienced team, we've created dozens of videos for educational organisations and businesses of all sizes and different budgets. Video production has been my passion now for over 5 years. And a year ago, I was approached to create a workshop for smartphone videos. Now, at the time, I was actually quite skeptical about smartphone videos. In fact, I had a friend of mine that was going to come on a video shoot and bring his SLRs and professional cameras and also his phone. And I said, "Oh, you must be kidding." You know, a year later, I prefer to use the phone to create presenter videos just like I'm doing right now, because it's so easy to set up and so easy to present. So then, of course, I needed to start presenting to camera. Now, I had lots of clients that would freeze up in front of the camera. I'd seen this phenomenon for many years, and now it was happening to me. So I needed to learn why this was and learn how I could overcome this with different strategies and techniques. And that is exactly what I include in my course. So at my workshop, I taught others how to present naturally to camera. I also taught lighting and audio and framing and hair and makeup and a whole lot more. All the essential elements to create a professional looking video. And now you can do that with just your smartphone. Now, this course is for educators, it's for business people, bloggers, marketers, and anybody that wants to share their knowledge to the world and do it successfully. In this course, you don't need any technical skills or special knowledge. You only need to be familiar with the smartphone and open-minded and willing to practice, and then I'm sure you will succeed. So take this opportunity to learn from the best professionals in the industry, to become confident and to create professional videos. So click on the link below to start learning today.